In triangles PQR and MST, angle P is equal to 55 degrees, angle Q is equal to 25 degrees, angle M is equal to 100 degrees, and angle S is equal to 25 degrees. Is triangle QPR similar to triangle TSM? Why? We are given two triangles. Triangle PQR with angle P is equal to 55 degrees and angle Q is equal to 25 degrees. And the second triangle MST, where angle M is equal to 100 degrees and angle S is equal to 25 degrees. Now, for triangle QPR to be similar to triangle TSM, corresponding angles should be equal. According to angle criteria for similarity of triangles. From the question, we have to check the similarity of triangles QPR and TSM. The corresponding angles should be equal, which means angle Q should be equal to angle T, angle P should be equal to angle S, and angle R should be equal to angle M. All these three conditions should be satisfied for triangle QPR to be similar to triangle TSM. But from the given values, angle P is not equal to angle S. Angle P is 55 degrees while angle S is 25 degrees. Therefore, the triangle QPR is not similar to triangle TSM. The answer is no.